We're going to try to halt the president from violating the Constitution.
California Attorney General Xavier Becerra has been seen as a leader of the resistance to President Trump and a champion of progressive policies. But when it comes to policing the police, some reporters say the AG may have credibility issues.
It's an inappropriate use of his office to threaten reporters.
John Temple's the director of the investigative reporting program at UC Berkeley. They've been working on stories about police corruption. He says after filing legitimate records requests, they received criminal conviction records of 12,000 current, former, and aspiring law enforcement officers. Those records came from the state agency that keeps that information. But in a letter, Becerra's office demanded Temple's reporters not only not publish, but destroy all the records they legally obtained.
We certainly weren't expecting that as a response because it seemed like such overkill for someone who is supposed to be representing the interests of the people.
The letter threatens the Berkeley reporters with a lawsuit. It says that officers' convictions, quote, should not have been disclosed to anyone not authorized by statute to receive it, and goes on to say the agency that released those records is, quote, authorized to receive this information. You are not. How would that not be a First Amendment violation?
If the Attorney General's office, if the Attorney General cracks down on these journalists, that will be a First Amendment violation.
Attorney Mark Reichel says freedom of the press is hard to challenge in court, even if journalists have records that should be classified, as long as they don't get them illegally. In this case, the Berkeley reporters did not.
It's very difficult for them to take them from you, to punish you for having them, or to prevent you from publishing.
Which is basically, an implied threat.
Temple says his team isn't backing down. He says they'll continue to investigate and publish names of officers who've been convicted of crimes. Now, it's not lost on these journalists that come election time, law enforcement does have a big influence. We did reach out to Xavier Becerra's office multiple times today, and we haven't heard anything back from them. Nikki?
Joe, thank you.